Alright guys, here we got the 14th Home Depot Intercom speaker and ceiling fan tour. So this was a location in Farmingdale, and we're going to check out what type of installations are inside here. So let's go for it. Alright, so first order of business, I just heard the paging, and the tone that is used here is the Bogan UTI-1. And matter of fact, I see these industrial fans already. So let's see what they are. It's very windy out here. So these are Schaefer industrial wall fans. And this has a bunch of older Bogans in here. Matter of fact, I see one right there. A lot of 70s music being played in here as well. This is a nice setting, actually. Let's take a closer look at it, shall we? This garden center is huge. Oh, it's not an older one. It's a... Oh, I see what this is. It's an Avaya horn. Well, it's still a Bogan horn, but yeah, it's an Avaya. So, this Home Depot opened up in the early 2000s. Oh, they got a new voice for the announcements.
Attention associates. Associate needed in aisle 13, plumbing, customer assistance. Associate needed in aisle 13, plumbing, customer assistance.
Alright, here's the ceiling fan aisle. And I might have to clip a clip that I filmed because there's this song, and I might get, not only might I get copyrighted, but I might get sued. If you know what I'm talking about. And which artist I'm referring to. But yeah. Bunch of old style ceiling fans, just like the last Home Depot. Another box speaker up here. And the bass is actually amazing. Oh, I like this song. Yeah. This one's actually an interesting one. Let's check around further. Wonder if there are horns, more Avaya horns in the back. I don't know. I don't think so either. So far, I see a lot of box speakers inside the store. Just like this one right here. This box speaker has the most severely damaged grills I've ever seen. Look at that. And not only that, it's zip tied as well. That's crazy. This is definitely the most damaged one ever since that second Home Depot tour. Insane. Up here is a leading edge ceiling fan. Probably the only one, I don't know. Because I think there were some ceiling fans that have been replaced. Another leading edge ceiling fan. And look at that clearance right there. It's crazy. But yeah, no horn speaker so far inside the store like the other one. Yeah, let's keep looking around. Yeah, I don't think so, guys. I don't hear any. And they're playing a lot of 70s music in this store as well. Yeah, no horn speakers. It's just a lot of box speakers like that one right there. And this one right here. But yeah, so far as I am aware, the actor Josh Lucas, I think was his name, He's not gonna do the Home Depot announcements anymore. He's a different guy now. This was very clean. Look at that. Huh. Look how clean that one is. Yeah, let's get to this box speak right here. Let's try to catch the announcement. But yeah, this Home Depot tour was made quick. This is another song I like. This song here is Ambrosia. The song name is called How Much I Feel. The bass actually sounds good. Incredible. Trying to catch one of these new Home Depot ads. Which of course now, this store, I heard is a different voice. It's not Josh Lucas. This ceiling fan here is a clear example on why you must check your clearance first before installing it. Now look at this. I think this thing is probably dead now, or it was turned off immediately. But yeah, this blade is wedged firmly onto one of the beams. That is insane. This ceiling fan is jiggling at this point. Just look at it. Insane. This might fall at some point, which hopefully it doesn't happen while there's customers down here, because that is crazy. Just look at how wobbly that fan is. I hear another new voice from the Home Depot ads. Interesting. And that was a lady voice too. And here's another Dayton fan with a blade wedged right into the beam. This Home Depot has that habit apparently. But yeah, that's crazy. Just before I leave the store, we're going to take one last look at this Avaya horn, which is probably the only Avaya horn I've ever seen so far. I've never seen a single Avaya horn where I live. Yeah, this Home Depot is very interesting. So yeah, that seems to be every single installation that is inside this Home Depot. So yeah, very interesting one too. And that will probably be it for this video, guys. So that is the 14th Intercom speaker and ceiling fan tour at the Home Depot.